demonstrator. So once you have it, just going to copy it and then have Photoshop open. So this was brought in. So when you paste this in, just remember these 4 options. And these 4 options show the smart object, the path, a shape layer, and pixels allow you to just start to manipulate the image. It's always a good idea to make it as large as you can on your screen there. And this is the style. Now again, here's the background layer, and you can see that the white part came in, so I'm just going to take that off. And just to show you to take that away, I'm just going to go to the eraser tool and go to Magic Eraser Tool, and if you click on this, all of the pieces that are touching, which are contiguous, will disappear. If you turn this check mark off from contiguous, it'll take out all the white that's on there, so now you have that image selected like that. And that'll give you a little bit of opportunity to change that. If I command click and select everything that's on there and want to make it like a medallion or something like that, let's see if I can modify and expand. So I'm just going to hit expand on this and put 20 pixels to see what happens. And this expansion has gone 20 pixels outside that edge. So if I take a new layer, for example, and fill that up, that's what the coloring is. So I'm going to go to select again and modify, expand it again. It's already set to 20. So now it has a little bit more, but there's still some of these artifacts inside. So I'm just going to take the lasso tool, turn on addition up to here, and just wrap this around here. So now I have that entire piece highlighted. So I'm going to drop this down below. I'll turn off the background layer so you can see it and fill that piece with white. So I've just used a little bit of the expansion. As you're working on a larger piece, this is kind of quick. I'm just duplicating both layers, selecting both layers, and merging the copy. So now it's one piece that allows me to then double click on this and give me any type of beveling and embossing or that type of thing that I can place onto this. So it's acting as that. Here's the drop shadow to it. I'll click the background layer so you can see it, that it has that. Go back into it. Can adjust the drop shadow right on screen in real time. And I can change the opacity to it. But it gives you a little bit of something to work with if I want to put any textures, for example. You have a whole array, you can actually add stuff to it, so when you take a look at all these different pieces that the software has, but then you can also add stuff yourself. But that's where it gives you a little bit of that range. Okay, and again, using the tab key and the letter F, changes so you have just this piece showing, and this is where you can take the final picture of it.